everyone, in this video we would like to share with you how to print a very popular sublimation series products, which is sublimation glass material. For this series of the products, we have two main categories. One is the sublimation photo panel with the thickness as around 3 mm, and the other is, we call it crystal. Actually, it is made by glass too. Yeah, the thickness of this is around 19 mm. Yeah, so the key for our sublimation glasses is that you can see we use full coating at the back. Yeah, that means that even the corner we have coated. That means that you are ready to print as a full print. The beauty for full prints is that, especially for this crystal, you can see this is the printed one. The beauty for the full coating is that if it's full coating, no matter you see from which angle, you will always see a nice printed photo. So that's the reason why we take this risk for production to make it with full coating at the back, because make it as full coating at the back is much more difficult compared with a partial coating, which means that you have a kind of pattern edge. Yeah, so okay, this is I think the main difference between LOPO sublimation blanks glass material compared with others. Okay, full coating. And we have variety of sizes and shapes. If you need any other sizes or shapes, you can also contact our sales. Then we can do customization for you. Okay, that's all for the sublimation glasses series of blanks introduction. And next, let's move into printing demo. Today, I would like to do the printing demo for these two series of the products: sublimation glass photo panel and sublimation crystal photo blocks. Okay, what you need to prepare before printing is that a protective glove, which is very important because it will be really hot after printing. Printed paper designed by the templates. We have our own templates which made by our graphic designer. If you need it, just contact our sales. We are really happy to share. Blanks, of course. Okay, so, and heat resistant tape. That is also important to make sure that you can locate the blank at the right direction or right position. Okay, this is all you need to prepare before printing, and let's do the printing. So first, you see for glass, because the coating is at the back, so when you do the print on the printed paper during the printing, you do not need to choose mirror printing as you are doing for lots of other sublimation blanks, because the coating, as I said, coating is at the back. So no need mirror printing, and just do regular printing mode and printed the design ready. You can see it's like that. Okay, and for doing this sublimation photo panel, the thing you need to pay attention is that you can see here is a hole. That should make sure you to install this stand after printing. So that means that you need to locate it in the right direction. Okay, this is the right direction. Hole is at the bottom. Okay, so locate the blanks onto the paper at the right direction. See, hole is at the bottom. Okay, and make sure it is located in the center. You can see, because we have this design was made by templates. All the border is just for border, not have specific designs. Okay, and next is you need to use this heat tape to fix the paper, printed paper. Usually I do it in this way. Put it back. That will make the paper to be fixed more, better. Okay, do it in this way. Okay, now only 2 pieces of heat resistant paper, and we'll be ready to go for printing. Today we're going to use our Print Smart Swick heat presses by Galaxy Press, and the printing parameter we need would be 190 degrees, which is 374 degrees Fahrenheit, at 2 minutes for all the glass printing. Okay, and we already set up all the printing parameter. Yeah, I need to change the time from 90 seconds to 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds, and 190 degrees, which is 374 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's do the printing demo. Okay, firstly, swing the heat presses away and use a Teflon sheet to cover it on your lower platen. This is very, very important. Teflon sheet, why we use Teflon sheet to cover it? You can see here always have a border. Yes, to use Teflon sheet to cover it is mean to protect this fabric cover from getting dirty during printing, because Teflon sheet is very easy to clean after printing. Okay, and medium pressure will be good enough. Okay, we're ready to go for 2 minutes, then we can see the finished products. Okay, now get your protective glove ready, and we're almost ready to go. Okay, let's see the printing result. Okay, for sublimation, the key for sublimation, for glass, the beautiful glass is that, before you tear out the paper, you can check in this way to make sure that it prints well. Only you make sure it prints well, then you're ready to get this printed paper out. If you see that some parts is not printed well, you can put it back to do the redo printing, okay, in order to ruin your prints. And this looks really nice. Everywhere, every corner is printed well. So let me tear this paper out. Okay, it's really hot, so you need to have a. Now you can see it's really nice for every corner. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, for every corner, yeah, it's really nice. And let's move into the printing demonstration for crystal. Okay, and you can see, as I said, that it's very important to have a Teflon sheet to be covered. You can see here, I don't know whether you can see it or not. Here has some marks which is left from the printing. And the beauty for Teflon sheet is that you can use this type of dry cleaning cloth, and we are underdeveloping this cloth. If you need it, you can contact our sales to clean it. It's very easy to clean, just like this. Then a new Teflon sheet is ready for your next printing. Okay, let's move into next printing demo for crystal. Okay, let's do the printing demo for crystal blanks. And today I prepared 2 types of crystal, which is the most popular one among our series. One is crystal clock. There is some tricks when doing this printing, so I'll show you later. And the crystal block. Okay, so what you need to prepare is the blank printed paper by templates. We have our templates. If you need it, please contact our sales. We always share, and heat resistant tape, of course, a protective glove, which is very important, and some cleaning cloths. Cleaning cloth is very important because it's a key. It's very important to make your printing surface to be nice and clean. So before you're gonna to stick it with the printed paper, always you need to use cleaning cloths to clean it, to make the printing surface nice, clean, and dry enough. Okay, this. Okay, now we are ready to go. Okay. So first, locate the printed paper into the blanks. It's just okay for the printed paper. Okay, see, both the up and down we have a little bit border. That will be no problem. Just make sure that the border is with the almost same size at both sides. Okay, and use heat resistant tape to tape it. Because the crystal is really thin. So, sorry, my tape. Okay. Usually I just tape it at 2 sides. That will be good enough. Okay, tape it and this one because I'm going to do the printing demo for these two blanks at the same time. Okay, that's a little bit challenge, but we will see. Because you will use 16 by 20 inches of heat press. So we should be okay to print two pieces at a time. Plus, as I said, there is some tricky when you're doing this clock. Okay, tip it. Okay, it's tipped well, and let's move into the printing. Okay, let's do the printing demo. Today we're going to use our Prisma swing heat presses, and the printing parameter we need is 190 degrees Celsius at 374 degrees Fahrenheit at 2 minutes. And the machine already be set it up, and also adjust the pressure well. For all the sublimation glass series products, we need light to medium pressure will be good enough. Okay, so get your protective glove ready, swing the heat presses away, and put a Teflon sheet on the lower pattern to protect the fabric cover from getting dirty, and locate your blanks. So for this one, I can locate it in the center. And for this one, you can see, because this is melted by UV light, so we need to locate it at the corner. And make sure that this is out of your heat press because it cannot be heated. If it's heated too much, then this handle will be easy to get off. So that's why you always need to put it at the end, at the edge of your heat presses. That's a bit of challenge. Okay, let's see. And now it's ready, and we just close the. Make sure it's be heated. Yes, now we're ready. Yeah, the pressure is a little bit less, so we need to add it a little bit. Medium to light to medium means that you are use a little bit power. Yeah, it's too hard, and we need to reduce it a little bit. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. Now, there is a very important tips I need to share with you for this crystal sorry. Yeah, during printing, you cannot put them whole into the heat presses because this handle was killed by UV light. So you need to leave it out. Otherwise, it will be loose. Okay, means tear off. Means that this handle will be get away from the main body, right? And again, if you take it, you cannot take this handle because it's hot. If you take it with this handle, then there will be also have a risk that this handle will be loose. So do it in this way. Again, check in front to see whether the print is nice. Yeah, it looks nice, right? Every corner has been printed well. So that means that we're ready to tear off the printed paper to finish the printing. Oops. Okay, you see, it looks really nice. Every corner was printed well. Make sure do not touch this handle until it be cooled down. Okay? During printing, leave this handle out of your heat presses. After printing, do not touch this handle until these blanks to be cooled down. Then you will not have the issues that tear off this handle. Okay? Looks really nice. And this one, let's see again, check in front to see whether every corner is printed well. Yeah, it prints pretty well. Yeah. So the printing parameter is 190 degrees at 2 minutes. Oops. Yeah, this is really heavy. Yeah, looks really nice. And summer is coming. See? As I said that all the glass we use full coating. See, the beauty for full coating is that no matter you see from which corner, you will also always see a beautiful designs. It looks really nice. Sometimes it feels that it has a 3D effect. Okay, that's all for today's demo, and hope you like it and hope it's helpful. If you have any suggestions or any ideas about creating any sublimation blanks or any crafting products, please do not hesitate to leave your message under below, and we would always happy to listening. Thank you for watching. See you next time.